So y'all, she's done. I got up bright and early this morning to get her out the way. Of course, you know, I thought I was recording. I wasn't. That's just me not being a morning person, being half asleep doing stuff. But we got her finished. I do gotta drain out the water and put some coolant in, because if you know, you know, I be putting in water when I don't have no coolant. But I got some coolant today, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I did the oil change, so we good to go. I'm gonna do a startup for y'all so we can hear once we do everything I just named. And yeah, I'm not gonna do a drive around because, like I said, no brakes. So we gonna save that until we get the brakes. But she's done. Let's get this coolant in and let's get it started. And I love y'all suggestions of what to do to keep the bugs off, baby. I done got citronella, what's it called, torches, candles. I got some citronella incense. It really seems like it just brings the bugs harder. Like, they like, oh, okay, you thought, bet. Like, it feels like they be going so hard. But yeah, let's get it done. Talking about the car, okay, like I said, the carb is different. We switched the carb. The valve covers, I took the trick flow valve covers off. I think I'm gonna put them on my SN95. I'm gonna do a little pink detailing so it can all tie together. Also, someone did comment about my SN95 saying that they didn't come with the sunroof from the factory, and it was like a dealer option, an add-on that, you know, you basically had to get from dealer. So that's cool. Every time I post a video, I find out something cool about one of my Mustangs. So like, I seen a post today, they talk about the Ttop is rare. Got one of them. The notch, obviously the notch is like a highly sought out car when it comes to the Foxbodies. People usually want a notch over the hatch. And now we have an SN95 with a sunroof, so got a nice little collection going on. I've been getting a lot of comments about my Thunderbird too. My Thunderbird does have like a crazy rare body kit on it. Like, when I made the post, I still could not find like a lot of information about it. I found really one post and one ad about the whole GST thing. So that's really cool. I can't wait to get my Thunderbird back down here and get her restored. I just want it done right. I don't want to rush it because that body kit is super, super fragile. Like, I need somebody who's 10 out of 10 with the restoration to touch her because she needs it. Okay, so we got all the water drained out. I'll go ahead and put this hose back on. We're gonna put our coolant in. But yeah, just I don't know, a little bit more about the car because, like I said, it is just a stock 5.0, and we did all the bolt-ons ourselves. So if you go back to when I first got the car to now, you can see everything that was done. The carb, valve covers, exhaust, all that. I did put a little breather on the valves because the engine has a little blow-by, so she's loving that. A lot of y'all said the 750 carb was too big, but I haven't had no problems so far. She's been liking it, so we're gonna leave it up there. Okay, and I ordered new valve cover gaskets because, of course, the cork ones fell apart. So we got those coming. They should be here tomorrow or the next day. And yeah, because a lot of my comments were like, do not get cork valve covers, and I agree. 100%. So I gotta start the engine up to pour the rest of the coolant in because it filled up with one, and you know, you usually gotta start it up to swallow the rest of it down. my little exhaust leak. But other than that, like I said, I know this is a stock motor. I don't know if it is a stock cam because I do have a little cam action with this car. Up and the engine's cold, but y'all can see like the little smoke coming off. That's because the gaskets are cracked. So yeah, I can't wait to get a new gasket up here. Now we come to the back of the car where you can hear the cam. But like I said, everything else is stock as far as I know. But I definitely think so. Like I said, I just gotta finish burping the coolant, and then she should be 100% ready to go. Besides the brakes, but she's back together. Wasn't too bad. I would say the main struggle was, you know, just fighting the elements and the bugs. But yeah.